Today we're making an Oreo cookie dessert. Easy, creamy, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Oreo cookie dessert. 2 packs of Oreo cookies crushed, 80 grams of butter, 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 packs of whipping cream, 2 packs of gelatin powder, 3 tablespoons of hot milk, 1 box of mini Oreo cookies. Mix the melted butter into the crushed Oreo cookies. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the dessert glasses. Refrigerate for about 2 hours. Beat the cream cheese with the condensed milk until smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Mix the gelatin powder in cold water for 5 minutes. Add the hot milk to the gelatin. Add the dissolved gelatin to the cream mixture and mix well. Pour the cream mixture over the chilled Oreo base and smooth the top. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours until firm. Sprinkle crushed Oreo cookies on top and decorate with mini Oreos before serving. And there you have it, a creamy and irresistible Oreo dessert. Perfect for parties, birthdays, or family desserts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Fold slowly to keep the filling light and airy. Make sure the gelatin is fully dissolved before adding it to the cream. Chill overnight for the best texture and flavor.